In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PayPal payment button to your Godaddy website. This straightforward process will only take a few minutes, and I'm here to walk you through each step with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Godaddy's website. This is where you'll be accessing all the tools for managing your domain names, hosting services, and online marketing tools. Once you are on the Godaddy homepage, look for the tab or link related to domain names and websites. This is your entry point to accessing the back end of your website. Next, you'll want to head over to the products section within your Godaddy account. This is where all the services and products you've purchased from Godaddy are listed. By clicking on products, you'll get an overview of your website and other associated services. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you can manage all the crucial components of your website. Once you're in the products section, locate your specific website within the list. It's usually displayed with an easy to find button or link. Go ahead and click on it. This step will bring you to the management dashboard of your website, which is where you can make all the modifications and additions you need. Now that you're on your website dashboard, look for the option that says Edit Website. Clicking on this option allows you to enter the website editor, a space where you can customize the appearance and functionality of your website. The editing interface is generally user-friendly, with various tools and options available on the side panel. With the website editor open, it's time to add a new section to your site. Search for the Add Section button, usually found at the top or in a side menu of the page. Once you find it, click on it to reveal the various options available for adding new elements to your website. In the menu that appears, you'll need to search for PayPal. Simply type PayPal into the search bar provided there. As you type, relevant options will appear, and what you're looking for is the PayPal button option. Once it shows up, go ahead and select it by clicking. Now that you've selected the PayPal button option, the next step is to add it to your website. Click on the Add button you see on your screen. By doing this, you're integrating PayPal's payment mechanism directly into your website, providing a convenient and secure way for customers to make payments. And that's it, you've successfully added a PayPal payment button to your Godaddy website. Once you've finished, take a moment to preview the changes to ensure everything looks and functions as you expected. This addition can significantly enhance the user experience by providing easier payment options. Remember, ensuring that your payment systems are smooth and user-friendly can go a long way in improving customer satisfaction and increasing your conversion rates. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website.